This is Elizabeth with Dandelion Soap, and we're talking about system recovery is licorice root. Now let me explain, guys. Licorice root looks like a tree branch. Licorice root is not like licorice you eat, not like the candy, okay? Don't confuse it. Licorice root is it is actually a tree. It's a branch, and they come in different sizes, and then they're actually cut. I've had them cut into smaller bites. They are 50, right, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times sweeter than any other sweetening source, whether it be sugar or anything else. And literally take that branch and put it in your mouth, and as soon as it touches you, you'll taste that good sweetness. And it's very, very pleasant and enjoyable. And it's excellent for sweetening teas, especially warm teas. A lot of times when the kids come to the shop here, I will break them off a piece of licorice root and let them take it, because some people will buy the whole stick of licorice and they'll stir it in their tea and thing, because you can keep reusing it and reusing it and reusing it until it just turns into nothing but shredded wood. I mean, it will just keep giving and giving and giving. It's delicious. And like I said, it's 50 times sweeter than any sugar. It's just nothing like it. It's just super awesome. Super, super awesome. Licorice root was one of those that commonly they would break it off and they would just chew on it. What it does, though, let me tell you, let me get back on the subject with the recovery tea. The licorice root is going to give a natural sweetener, but also what it does is it feeds the adrenal glands. So your adrenal glands sit atop of your kidneys, okay? And that is really where a lot of your energy and keeping your system powered comes from. So that the licorice root can actually, just like that, fill up those adrenal glands. Can you believe that? Just boom, like that, replenish you with energy. But it burns off really quick. Now remember, the system is having to be powered, and we have several systems going on in our body. So that is why sometimes when you just need an instant pick-me-up versus doing the energy drinks that you pump down that's just charged with caffeine and it's just running your heart to death. I mean, it's just, you're just like, oh my God, run a continuous marathon. And that's why it can be dangerous doing these energy drinks, because that is bursts of energy, caffeine. You're going to burn it up fast. It's empty calories. So it's supercharged. It's a carbohydrate, and it's just going to run through your system. But not only that, you think about it. You keep hitting the button, the nitro, on those cars. Eventually, if you're not, I don't care how good a driver you are, you're going to have that one-off day when your coordination ain't right, and you're going to crash the wall. Makes sense to me? I'm just saying. So licorice root is another way of feeding the system without caffeine and replenishing the adrenal glands, like I said, that sit upon the kidneys, and get you back to strength, give you that energy that you're needing. And sometimes you just need a little bit of licorice root. Even if you took a small piece and just chewed on it in your mouth, and then when it starts getting brittle and turning into wood, you just spit it out. But a lot of people do that.